The new Yamaha RX100 bike is coming to rule the Indian market with a top speed of 110 kmph and a mileage of 80 kmpl. Yamaha RX100. If you also like to ride Yamaha company's bike and are thinking of buying a new bike of Yamaha company, then you should wait for a few more days. Because soon Yamaha company is bringing its new bike in the Indian market, which will be named Yamaha RX100. This bike will be launched in the Indian market with new features and new changes. So let's know about its upcoming features. Upcoming features of Yamaha RX100 motorcycle. If we talk about the features available in Yamaha RX100 motorcycle, then the company can support features like analog speedometer, halogen headlight, analog odometer, pass switch, bulb tail light, 10L fuel capacity, kickstart, analog instrument console, bulb turn signal lamp and passenger footrest. Possible launch of Yamaha RX100 motorcycle. However, till now Yamaha company has not given any exact information about the launch date of its new Yamaha RX100 motorcycle. But according to media reports, this bike of Yamaha can be launched in the Indian market by December 2026. At the same time, such an update has come out regarding its price. That this bike can be launched in the Indian market at an ex-showroom price of 1 lakh rupees. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe.